Microsoft just released 3 new pieces of hardware: the Surface Laptop 5, Surface Pro 9, and Surface Studio 2 Plus, 2 new accessories for the hybrid work era, and Microsoft Designer, a graphic design app. If you didn't catch the Microsoft Surface event, don't worry, we've got you covered. The Surface Laptop 5 has a Pixel Sense display that comes in a 13.5-inch or 15-inch option. The anodized aluminum construction gives the laptop the same sleek exterior we're used to seeing from Microsoft and comes in platinum, black, sandstone, and sage. Internally is where we're seeing the biggest changes from last year's Surface. The Surface 5 has a 12th gen Intel Core i5 or i7 processor, which Microsoft says you can expect to give you a 50% jump in speed. The laptop also has Dolby Vision IQ and Dolby Atmos 3D audio spatial processing, but the front-facing camera still only offers a 720 pixel resolution. The Surface Laptop 5 will be available beginning on October 25th with a starting price of $1,000 for the model with an i5 chip, 8 gigs of RAM, and 256 gigs of storage. Arguably the biggest news surrounding the Surface Pro 9 is the death of the Surface Pro X. This means Microsoft will now let users configure the Surface Pro 9's architecture, choosing either the latest 12th gen Intel Core on the Evo platform or Microsoft's ARM-based SQ3 powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon without compromising or settling for a different form factor. The newness ends there though, with the Surface Pro 9 keeping the standard 2-in-1 design with a detachable 13-inch display, 120Hz refresh rate, Surface Slim Pen 2 support, and an Alcantara keyboard. As far as pricing goes, the Intel-based Surface Pro 9 starts at $1,000 and comes with an i5 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigs of storage, and the ARM-based model starts at $1,300 and comes with an SQ3 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, and 128 gigs of storage. The Intel-based version comes in Platinum, Graphite, Forest, and Sapphire, while the ARM-based model only comes in Platinum. Pre-orders start today. It has been a long, quiet 4 years since the release of the Surface Studio 2 all-in-one, but Microsoft finally announced an upgrade to the device. The name 2 Plus tells you that it isn't a staggering update, but it is an update nonetheless. The Surface Studio 2 Plus keeps the same push and pull 28-inch frame as its predecessor, with the zero-gravity hinge carrying the weight of the transformative design. The company has modernized some aspects of the new Studio, like the sharper front-facing camera, dual studio mics, and USB-C with Thunderbolt 4. To meet the demand of power users, the Studio 2 Plus has an updated Intel Core H35 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3060 discrete graphics. For all of the performance gains you're getting, Microsoft is making you pay to play. The Surface Studio 2 Plus comes at an eye-watering $4,299 for the Core i7 32 gigs of RAM and 1 terabyte of storage model. That does include the pen, keyboard, and mouse, but it's an $800 increase from the original Studio 2. If that's something you have to have your hands on, you can pre-order it now, and it becomes available at 9 p.m. on October 24th. Microsoft is looking to rival Canva with the creation of Microsoft Designer, a graphic design app. Designer is an app used to create social media posts, invitations, brochures, and other designs either from scratch or by using Microsoft-provided templates. As a way for Microsoft to really make a statement to creative users, Microsoft plans to make it available either as a free or premium app with additional features for Microsoft 365 personal and family subscribers. And Designer will be coming to Microsoft Edge and Bing as well, making it even easier for you to create social media posts without having to leave your browser. This all may sound familiar, and that's because Designer is already in use through PowerPoint Designer to help users create visually appealing PowerPoints quickly. Microsoft Designer will be available soon, but you can go ahead and join the waitlist today. Microsoft also released 2 new accessories for the hybrid work era. The Presenter Plus, which costs $80, is a Bluetooth-powered clicker that allows you to skip through slides, mute and unmute during calls, and navigate Microsoft Teams with customizable buttons. The Microsoft Audio Dock is both a docking station with an HDMI port, 2 USB-C, 1 USB-A, and a speaker for audio input and output. This will run you $250 though, which is not cheap for either of its 2 functions. but Microsoft promises premium sound and noise-reducing microphones will help you be heard clearly in your next online meeting. It hasn't said yet when these two products will be available. And that does it. Microsoft kept the updates minimal during its Microsoft Surface event, but ZDNet looks forward to getting their hands on all of these devices and testing them out just for you. Be sure to come back and check out what our thoughts are. Thank you so much for watching.